Good morning, namaste. Before I inaugurate this convention, I would like to thank second VDG Shine Kumar. I think he has made me shine today. Thank you, Shine, for a beautiful introduction. I've never seen introduction coming with my AV. So it's a new thing you have done today. I'm really very honored and humbled. Thank you very much. Your district governor, Veena Ravi Kumar, Dr. Veena Ravi Kumar, PMCC, Vaman Kumarji, great GAT leader, Amarnathji, CSR leader, first vice governor, second vice governor, all the past district governors, and all the Lions leaders, region, zone, club president, secretary treasurers, Leo president, each one of you, I really appreciate the support you have given to your governor this year. If it comes to a woman governor, being a woman, I can vouch for that. She was reading her reports of the time which she has spent with all of you, planning, executing the policies, all the projects being taken care of, our international global causes. Veena ji, I am really impressed with your work. And I am so happy that she is a woman governor. I am a lady past director and on the board of trustee. And I have been invited today, a great opportunity for me to be here today, to witness the projects, the growth of this district, 318C. So a big clap for each one of you. You really need a clap. Yes. I would like to thank Amarnathji for giving me the opportunity to come here today because I think since 1 year he's after me to come here and meet all of you, my Lion family, extended Lion family, which I adore always. I appreciate and adore because only in these programs we get the opportunity to meet each one of you. We can recall our friendship. We can be motivated. We can be inspired with the work which you do. And we can take all these achievements of your district to other districts so that we can inspire them and motivate them also. So I am so happy that I am here today. And I would like to thank my two protocol officers also before I forget that, Siji and Sindhu. I think I have corrected names, both of you, okay. They have been with me since yesterday with Amarnathji, of course, and they have been taking good care of me. So don't worry, Amarnathji, I have been well taken care of. When I was coming to this district, I was just wondering, because I have been to Kerala so many times. It's not the first time I have come here today. I have been so many times here. But every time is a new, beginning for me. As your governor has a slogan, pride for change. And I think she has given pride to not your district, but to whole of India and whole of international and whole of Azami area. So Veena ji, congratulations for that. And I always recall the international president's theme, Dr. Patty Hill, changing the world. I think women can change the world. Men can also. Don't take me otherwise. But women can really change the world because they know the plight of children. They can understand, they have that some passion and compassion in them. I think God has given them some special gift. But unless they have the support of men, they are nothing. If I talk about my journey, talk about my Lionistic journey or maybe my social journey as an entrepreneur, I must give credit to my husband first, Mr. Oswal, my whole family, as Veena ji was giving to Advocate Ravi Kumar ji. Because unless your husband is with you, a woman can do nothing. It's a big support. And then, if your extended family like Lion family is with you, with all my brothers, sisters and everybody, I think no one can stop you. So in every sphere of life, at every step, we need the support of our men friends, our lions, our leaders, and of course, women who are with us. So, Beena ji, I'm so happy that you have taken care of all the global causes. I was looking at your projects, especially your housing project. You've done wonderful in that. It was like a signature project of you. And keep this going on, because I really want that you have set a mark. Mission 105. It is very, very popular nowadays. Our second VP, AP Singh ji, has already into it 1.5 mission. Dr. Patty Hill has announced 1.5 mission. Till 2027, we need to grow for 1.5 membership. I want this legacy has to go forward. I would like to appeal first Vice District Governor and second Vice District Governor need to take this legacy forward, so that the step which Veena ji has taken, Pride for Change, you need to make your district pride for the years to come. Change has to be there. All our leaders in you, all the past district governors, I really respect the past district governors, because I always believe that they are the perfect guides to the districts. They can show the path. They had a lot of experience in their own times, and they can relate to those experiences and give motivation, inspiration to the incoming governors. So kudos to all the past district governors. Thank you so much for being with Beena ji. Let us clap for our past district governors, all the leaders here. I have been meeting Baman Kumar ji and Amarnath ji quite often in all the important meetings and I have seen their leadership. So I think they are in their own, they have set their own examples, both of them. Whatever sphere, whatever position they have been given from international or from area, they have fulfilled those ambitions of the people who are in need. So I will wish all the best to both of you for your future endeavors. I was just looking at the grants. You know, your district has received a lot of grants. As Beena ji was telling that more than $200,000 for 11 projects. I think your district is the luckiest one. I don't think, because I represent trustee board for this grant committee also, program committee, development committee also there. So no district has ever got 11 grants altogether. I think this is the charisma of your governor, the charisma of your lead, and they were talking about CG, project coordinator, and all the leaders who are sitting in front of me. You are PMCCs, you are past governors, you are incoming governors, the leaders who are here, cabinet members. I think each one is very important. We always believe, वो कहते हैं कि बूंद बूंद से समुद्र भरता है. Every drop fills the ocean. Every single penny counts. When I go to any meetings, I was wondering, you have received more than $200,000, but what is your contribution? Not even 40, I think hardly 40-45%. It doesn't look good to me. Beena ji, I want your attention on this. LCF coordinator who is there. Because you are getting so much of grants in your district. International Foundation also needs some support. You have already made 43 MJF, which I have come to know from Amarnath ji. You should try to make more. You have so many CSR partners here. Like Nanda Kumar ji is the biggest partner. This Cochin is full of CSR. This area, Kerala, is very rich. Not in nature, it is rich in, CSR also. So you need to work hard a little bit. And I'm sure in your district only, the leadership is in front of me today. I can see each leader is a leader in their own. They can contribute. Not even, even $50, $100, $200. If not MJF, I can understand. It's a big amount MJF. But if you become a MJF, you will be called forever proud MJF. So I'll appeal to all of you. Please consider this before Beena ji retires from this district governor from 1st July. Let us see what we can do best for our foundation. I think that will be the great service you will provide to your district, to International Foundation. I always believe, as Beena ji was talking about that she used to get a cup of coffee from Advocate Ravi Kumarji in the morning. I never got coffee or tea from Abhayji, but I always got so much inspiration, motivation and support from him, from Mr. Oswal. Every moment I got that inspiration from him till today. Even he is not with me since 8 years from now, but I always feel him, that he's standing beside me. I recollect those moments when he used to come with me for international conventions. And international president, chairperson used to call us on the stage, being a lead donor, to say a few words. And Mr. Oswal was always standing in back of me, beside me. He never came in front. He never took the mic. So many times chairperson or president used to tell him, Mr. Oswal, please speak something. We need to hear you. He always used to say, no, Aruna will speak. This was the support, inspiration, motivation I got from Mr. Oswal, from my family. So every woman needs that. And I can understand डॉक्टर बीना जी का मैं समझ सकती हूँ उनका जो एक फीलिंग है रवि जी के लिए. आई एम मिसिंग हिम टुडे बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू मीट विद हिम एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट हिम. प्लीज कन्वे माय बेस्ट विशेस टू हिम दैट फॉर हिज सपोर्ट you have been done so much, if not contribution, but you have done so much service activities. So we all Lions believe in service and fellowship and contributions. And it reminds me of some leadership, tea bag leadership. I just wanted to leave some messages today. Just message. What is tea bag leadership? Leader has lot of ingredients in him. Passion, compassion, commitment, dedication, delegation. Lot of ingredients are in a leader. But उनको कैसे बाहर निकाला जाए? How to take it out? Just imagine a tea bag. Tea bag is with flavors. Some with green, some with masala, some with like green tea, maybe chamomile. So many teas are available nowadays. You put in a hot water, sparkling hot water, put the tea bag and wait for 5-10 minutes. When you sip it after 5 minutes, you'll get that flavor. The flavor which was in the tea bag. The flavor which will be in your governor's